Hello. Now, after the member section, I will explain you how we manage events and to-dos in our system for this organization. For that, first we will go to the shortcut as I told you earlier. Then click on event. First, we'll get to know the event, how we are implementing this in our system for the organization. For that, click on event, then go to add event. Now, basically, in this organization, events are managed by the PR teams and the Sant. So, whenever the organization want to conduct any event, they can create it from these sections. Okay, so here we will fill the details such as event name, subject, start on date, end on date, event types, status, branch, descriptions, and much more. So let's get started by filling the data. For now, let me take an example. Event name, annual, Gurukul, cultural program, and the subject, um, celebrating spiritual growth. Okay, done. And event type, there are three types of event type. Private means the event is only visible to selected members. Okay, and the public means the event is open for all the members or all the general public to see and join. And RSVP required means the event that requires participants to confirm their attendance before joining. Basically means that the participants needs to confirm it in advance whether they will attend the event or not. So this will helps the organization to plan better, like arranging sittings, foods, or other resources. So this basically gives the organization a clear idea of how many people will attend and remain, and basically helps them to make the right arrangement for the number. So yeah, let's I will select RSVP required. Okay, done. Now select the branch as branch A, and the description, in the description, this event will include national bhajans and cultural performance, etc. Okay, done. Now the start on dates, let's select it from today onwards, and end on date, select it 18. And what does RSVP deadline means? Basically, it is the final date by which members should confirm if they are attending the event. So after this date, confirmations will not be accepted. So basically, this helps the organization can finalize the arrangement. So let's select it 70. Okay, done. You can set the status like open, completed, close, cancel. Okay, also you can sync it with the Google Calendar and much more. Let's click on save after filling all the data. Once the event is saved, you can see a add member button here. From here you can add the member, you can select the member name, mobile number, country, and also organize filters. But you can also click it hit from here, like I will select Karishma for now. Okay, and send it to this member. Now you can see the member is assigned. Okay, so now we can see here, wait a second, event. Now you can see the event is created, and also you can see, you can go to the member from here. Wait, here, go to Karishma and go to Bhajan, Niyam and Granth. He will, here you will see that the open events has been added to the member. From here the member can set whether the member want to come or not, and just attend like this. Click on response whether they want to come, no, maybe, suppose yes, then click on submit, and done. You can see from here. Now you can, now this is how the event works for all the member. Now we will understand about the to do, how it works. Again, shortcut, then click on to do, and then add to do. So basically this to do section is for a member to assign tasks to themselves. It used for a personal task tracking and reminder basically. So suppose now select the task the member want to do, suppose Niyam. They can set the description like fasting, status, open, frequency for suppose 1 day, branch, select branch A up to them, and description fasting for 1 day. Done. Then click on save. Now you can see that the to do has been created. Now you can add a member to do this. Go to add member, same, select the member name, mobile number, or directly select the member from the drop down. I will assign it to Karishma, send and select to do. Now you will see the assignment is completed, and you will see that for fasting the member has been added here as Karishma. You can go to the member directly from here, click on this, and wait a sec, you will see that fasting has been assigned to this member. Click on this. Once the member has done with the task, they will click on is completed and just select on yes. Done. So once the task has been done, you will see that task has been completed and removed from the open task. Or directly the member can add the task from the new Bhajan name from their portal. But if they want to create a new task, they can go to do, and once the task is completed, click on closed and just click on save. Done. So done with the to do. Here you will see the status has been completed, will show closed. So this is how the to do's and event work for this organization. Yeah, thank you.